Looking for the best treadmill in 2026 to level up your home workouts? Whether you want to lose weight, stay active while working, or train like a pro, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best treadmills you can buy right now. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SOLE Fitness F63, F65, F80, F85, TT8 Treadmill. The SOLE Fitness series is known for durability and performance. These treadmills come with powerful motors, incline options, Bluetooth connectivity, and a foldable design for home use. This is easily one of the most reliable treadmills on the market. Whether you're a beginner or a serious runner, SOLE offers smooth performance, excellent cushioning, and a gym-quality feel at home. Pros: strong and durable build quality, powerful motor for intense workouts, incline and speed options, foldable and space-saving, Bluetooth connectivity. Cons: slightly expensive, heavy to move. If you want a premium, long-lasting treadmill, the SOLE series is a top-tier investment. Number 2. ProForm Carbon Treadmills. ProForm Carbon treadmills are designed for both walking and running, featuring a built-in fan, interactive training compatibility, and a space-saver folding design. This treadmill stands out for its comfort and smart features. The built-in fan is a nice touch for long workouts, and it's ideal for users who want guided fitness sessions. Pros: built-in cooling fan, space-saver foldable design, great for interactive training, smooth and quiet operation. Cons: subscription needed for full features, smaller running deck on some models. A great choice for interactive fitness lovers and home users who want comfort and convenience. Number 3. Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. A compact under-desk treadmill designed for walking while working. It includes incline options, remote control, LED display, and supports up to 265 pounds. Perfect for multitaskers. You can walk while working, watching TV, or even attending meetings. It's quiet, portable, and fits easily in small spaces. Pros: compact and portable, ideal for home office use. Quiet motor, easy to store. Cons: not suitable for running, limited speed range. Best for office workers or small spaces who want to stay active throughout the day. Number 4. Adjustable Walking Pad Handle, Handrail. This is an accessory designed to upgrade your walking pad with a handle, including a phone holder, cup holder, and towel hooks. Not a treadmill itself, but a useful addition for safety and convenience. It improves balance and adds functionality to basic walking pads. Pros: improves safety and stability. Handy accessories included. Adjustable height. Cons: not a standalone treadmill, only compatible with certain models. A must-have add-on if you already own a walking pad and want extra comfort and safety. Number 5. Premium Folding Smart Treadmill, Xterra Plus App. A smart folding treadmill with compact design, 250-plus pound capacity, powerful motor, and app connectivity for tracking workouts. This treadmill balances affordability and smart features. It's great for beginners or intermediate users who want a modern fitness experience. Pros: compact and foldable, smart app integration, budget-friendly, good weight capacity. Cons: not ideal for advanced runners. App features may be limited. Perfect for beginners looking for a smart and affordable treadmill. Thanks for watching. All the links to these treadmills are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.